Hello students, welcome to Eduauraa. This is Tushar Patel, your physics mentor. In this session, we are going to start the questions from past year examinations from topic called as mechanical properties of solid. So as we can understand from the question, there is a sphere of radius small r is kept inside this liquid and there is a piston kept on it. Area of piston is small a. Now we are keeping small m mass on it so that this piston is compressing this liquid. Hence, volume of this sphere will decrease. Also, radius of this sphere will decrease. So this is what we are supposed to find. The fractional decrement in radius, which is dr upon r. So we want to find fractional change in radius, and this is associated with fractional change in volume. So we'll definitely have to use the bulk modulus. Here the formula of bulk modulus, which is represented by K, is equal to delta P upon delta V upon V, where we already know the value of delta P, which is weight of the mass small m upon area of the piston, which is small a. So delta P is small mg upon small a. We know the value of K, bulk modulus. Also, we know the delta V, which is 4 pi r square delta r. How this is came? Please understand. If volume is decreasing by radius of delta r. Now, let's understand how this 4 pi r square into delta r came. Let's have a sphere of radius small r. If we compress this sphere, its surface area will come inside by the delta r radius. So, if you want to find the volume of this shell, which is surface area times the radius which is displaced. So surface area is 4 pi r square and radius displaced is delta r. So we can see that 4 pi r square into delta r is change in volume of the sphere. Yes, this is nothing but difference in volume of the sphere. We also know V because volume is 4 pi small r cube. This is initial volume. That's why radius is small r. Now let's substitute all these equations into the formula of K and let's make easier equation. K equals to mg into 4 pi small r cube upon A into 4 pi small r square into delta r into 3. So this is the simplified version of it. Now if we see that 4 and 4 is getting cancelled, pi and pi is again getting cancelled, r square and cube is getting cancelled, so only remains r in the numerator. If we see this equation now, this is much simpler, which is K equals to mgr upon 3a delta r. Now what we want is delta r upon small r, which is dr upon r. Yes. So let's rearrange this equation for delta r upon small r. The formula for delta r upon small r becomes mg upon 3ka. M is the mass kept on the piston, g is acceleration due to gravity, 3 is the number, k is bulk modulus, and a is area of this piston. So if we can see from the option D is the correct answer, which is mg upon 3ka. So in this session, we studied everything about mechanical properties of solid, and we also solved past year's questions. So, for better understanding of this topic, keep solving more and more MCQs. Keep practicing, keep learning from Eduauraa. Thank you.